Hi YouTube, this is Joe at the Outpost. I'm going to talk about Hasty loop sling today. So hasty as in quick. They've got the loop slings that you'll wrap your arm all the way through a full loop, but this is a quick way of getting a loop sling or an additional shooting aid in the field. You're going to run your non-shooting hand in, then you're going to bring it past the elbow, bring your arm out, back towards you, and then underneath again. And then your hand is going to be jammed up in by the sling swivel and the stock. And if you've got your tension right, you don't really need to use this hand because all this, the rifle's being supported by your arm and the sling at this point. So again, through and up and on target. This is a lot quicker than a full loop sling, and then most all of your traditional rifle slings will support this. This is not a traditional hunting sling. This is a VTAC sling, but I really like the versatility it gives me on a hunting rifle all the same. Thanks for joining us. Bye.